Okay, so I'm Laura, my husband,
I'm Drew.
and we heard about the NRVTA through actually some other work campers named Mike and Betty Gill. They're from our hometown parish in Louisiana. So Betty handed me the magazine and she said, "Here, go home and look at this." So I did. And there was an article about the NRVTA, and Drew said,
I said, that sounds very interesting. I really did. No, I said, that sounds good. And we want to do some work camping. I said, well, why not go get a little knowledge about these things so I could maybe pick up a few extra bucks on the road, and most importantly, fix my own when it breaks.
yeah, because I don't like to be without mine. So we didn't think it being in the shop for a couple of weeks or whatever and us being without a house was a smart thing to do. So he said, "Hey, let's go to school." And I said, okay. And with everything going on, it's like a reboot on 2020 for us to be here. So it's, we love it. I love it. You love it?
I do.
He always loves it. So, so we're totally enjoying ourselves in classes. The class is phenomenal. The instructors are fabulous. I have enjoyed like the paradigm, the mind shift. You?
Yes.
That for you too?
I can't do it. So you should have did her by herself. But anyway.
I tell you, okay, my aha moment was the refrigerator. We had refrigerators today, and I have this problem in my RV of my cauliflower freezing. Okay, I know y'all think that's crazy, but it's true. And I had it up in the refrigerator, have it up on the top shelf, and I buy 2 heads at a time because I like to make creamed cauliflower. So anyway, they're frozen. Like these things are frozen solid, and I'm like, oh my God, these are not in my freezer, these are in my refrigerator. So today in class, I just raised my hand. Well, I don't even think I raised my hand. I think I just said out loud to everybody I have frozen vegetables in my refrigerator. Why do I have frozen vegetables in my refrigerator? And these are fresh vegetables, cauliflower, zucchini, squash, all of them are frozen. And Todd's like, you need to move your thermistor. And I'm like, what is a thermistor? So then I learned, and that was my aha moment, was when I found out about a thermistor. And so I had my thermistor. I now know where a thermistor is and what it is. I have it up on my fins, because you have to know what a fin is. And if you don't know what a fin is, you need to come to class, because you have these fins in your refrigerator. And all I did was take and move my thermistor. I had it up, which up means it's going to freeze everything in there, including your vegetables. So all I need to do is go back to my rig and move my thermistor down, and then I won't have frozen cauliflower. Now, I like frozen grapes. They're in the freezer. My freezer is good, but it's got some thick ice on the back wall. So this afternoon, I am going back to the rig, and I am going to that's my homework. My instructor told me to go do my homework, so I'm going to go and unfreeze my freezer, get my sheet of ice out, and then I'm going to go and put my cauliflower and move my thermistor back down so my cauliflower will fall out. True? What you got?
Well, that's pretty much it. But no.
No, what's your aha moment?
Can you be quiet a minute?
That would be an aha moment.
No, just learning about the air conditioners and the refrigerator, and learning how to make that stuff run more efficient.
Oh, I know. I know what your aha moment was.
I'm sure you do.
I've been doing the pre-work, because they send you pre-work that you're supposed to do ahead of time before you come into class. So I was very nervous. So I'm like, I need to do all my pre-work, And I'm telling him, I'm asking him, saying, Drew, do you know? And he's watching TV, not paying me any attention. He's watching Magnum PI. And I said, Drew, do you know that there is no fan in the... No, I said, Drew, do you know if there's a fan in our refrigerator? And he said, of course there's a fan in the refrigerator. I said, there is no fan in an absorption refrigerator. And that was his aha moment. He just don't know it. That was our pre-aha moment. Yeah.
Okay.
So if I met somebody on the street and I said, hey, what is the NRVTA about? I'm going to tell them that first off, it's going to be life-changing. That there is nowhere you can go and get this kind of education for the RV industry in such a short amount of time with such an incredible team here to lead you to success. There's nothing better. You have to have, in order to succeed, you have to have a team of people. You think, oh, well, I'm just going to sign up online and I'm going to go down to Athens, Texas for a week and I'm just going to go to class. This is not like any class you've ever been to. You will come here and you're going to leave a changed person. I guarantee you.